Good afternoon, my name is Eric Ballou. I'm a recording engineer and I like to do a little bit of handyman stuff, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to get out a set of these handcuffs with this in less than 6 seconds. Alright, so let me get some of these obstacles out of our way. Alright, here's our handcuffs. Keys, we don't need those. These little suckers off of here. Alright. Let's get a stopwatch out of here. Alright. Okay, here we go. And that is a 6-second handcuff escape.
Would you like to know more?
And this is the pin that we need to knock out. So let's understand handcuffs real quick. We have these teeth here that catch into these teeth. And this cannot back out unless we have this key to release, which is, you can see that there. That's lowering those teeth so that they will release. And what we want is a set of prop handcuffs that will release but still remain the teeth looking like they're intact. You don't even need the paper clip. Wow. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hammer out this pin, which goes all the way through. That is the pin that we want to remove. And keep this down in here so I can find it later. Added a little bit of cardboard and tape here to keep the teeth of our vise marring the finish of our handcuffs. And these are the other part of those teeth, and if we pull our handcuffs out here, inside, this is literally how the mechanism works. So as they're cuffing you up, and it clicks in. So what we want to do is we want to take these teeth. You notice it might be a good time for me to add some CGI in here. These teeth are very vertical, going straight up and down, so it's an angle this way and this, and what we want it to be is more like a set of pyramids. So is our spring mechanism. We're going to lay that back down in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get these teeth sat back down in there properly. Okay, so just to redeem Triple K brand handcuffs, this is actually an unmodified set of the handcuffs, and I'm going to put them on and actually give it my best attempt to get out of them with a paper clip. Just in case, here's the actual keys. Okay. Let's start our stopwatch.
I'm coming through with jiu-jitsu.
Okay, I want to try with the key now. Yeah, these are good handcuffs. No paper clipping your way out of those. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and subscribe to my channel. I have no idea, this is like the first video I've done since I decided to make a YouTube channel, so wherever the subscribe thing is, do that, and I would really appreciate it. I'm also on Instagram at Eric B. Ballou, RICBBALLEW, and we'll see you next time.